These are our pre-wired wedged wood frames. They require only minimal assembly. This keeps the tradition of pure wax and wood frames alive without the hassle of having to wire the frames yourself. Using a knife or a hive tool, remove the wedge from the top bar. You can use your knife to remove any snags or splinters. Insert the bottom edge of the foundation into the grooved bar at the bottom of the frame. Then hook the top edge of the foundation against the top bar. Make sure the hooks are facing out. Place the wedge bar back onto the frame over the hooks of the foundation. Press firmly but gently down to make sure the foundation is in place. Lift the frame upside down on a solid surface and reattach the wedge by using small nails. You can use 3 nails, one at the center, one on the right, and one on the left. Using a spur wire embedder and a form board, press the horizontal wires into the wax. Your frames are now ready for bees. Visit glorybee.com for all of your beekeeping needs.